I'm removing this dome light because my sunroof screw fell out. So this is how you remove it in the G35 2008. Just put it this right here. Just pop it out. And just wiggle it out a little bit. There goes one piece. Just wiggle it out. There you go. So now the next piece, there's 4 more tabs right here. Just take that, push. Let me put this down. Push in and pull, and then 2 more. And I'll show you the tabs in just a second. And be careful not to pull it out too hard because you may have a wire stuck on it. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my problem is this wire right here is stuck on it. You just gotta remove those wires and you'll get more play. But this screw right here fell out for my sunroof, so that's why I'm removing this. And I'm just putting it right back and then realigning the sunroof. And then it should all pop right back in place. And that's it.